HMD Global is bringing the updated Nokia 6 to the US for $269.99, after launching it in China back in January, via Android Central. The original Nokia 6 marks the brand's return to the US under the stewardship of HMD, albeit as a decidedly budget experience. The updated model looks to improve on the original in a number of ways. With a better Snapdragon 630 processor, instead of the Snapdragon 430 on the original, an upgrade from micro USB to USB-C, and 4 GB of RAM. The rest of the 2018 model of the Nokia 6 remains more or less the same as last year's version, with the same unibody aluminum design, chunky bezels, and poor camera. The Nokia 6 is available now unlocked at Amazon and Walmart.